Welcome to T.O.A. The kaupapa is to find the individual to hold the mantle or the title of Toa o ngā toa. There are challenges and there are tasks that need to be completed. Let the show begin.
Toia! Toia! No te tīmatanga te kaunga toa I tae mai.
Sort of a hard challenge to start off with.
I had a very worthy adversary. That made it even more special.
Ngā wero pū ke ngā toa.
In the first 30 seconds, colleagues are already gone.
Ki te paini, ki te paki hau. The quicker it went, the harder it was.
Beautiful fight in the end, still fun.
Very, very, very hard.
This is one heck of an experience.
I felt it very confusing because it was in the heat of the moment.
This right, the kaupapa of it.
E maunga whai kaha.
He's so strong and he's really fit. I think he'll go right to the end.
Even though we were rivals, you know, I still respect them.
E whakauhoho I te Mauri Toa.
More thinking than physical stuff.
Everyone knows that it's down to the top 5 and this is it.
Ka tahi, ka uauara wāt.
As I go home to one family, I leave another one. Those other challenges don't even compare.
There'll be a couple of good ones. Too much papa.
Ka tū te wini wini, ka tū te wana wana.
Papa P softened him up for us. I think he actually pierced something within him, eh? Put a mongol in him.
Ka tae rā ki te papai whakamutuna. O wai katoa ki tēnei taumata.